Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be revealing to you all one of Indian herbal hair growth secrets that nobody is really talking about. If you want to know that secret, please do well to watch to the end of the video. I guarantee you this hair growth secret will definitely help you grow your hair to waist length. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Muna. My channel is all about natural hair tips and tricks. I also share feminine hygiene tips and I also share fertility tips for both male and female. If that is what interests you, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button and do not forget to press the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video with your friends and family because it will help me greatly with YouTube algorithm. And do not forget to leave a comment below. Without further preambles, let's get started. Now, one of the herbs we are going to be using in this recipe today is fenugreek. Fenugreek has been known to be one of the most popular herbs and most powerful seed or herbs when it comes to Indian herbal hair growth secrets, and that's fenugreek. Fenugreek is also known as Methi in Indian language. Fenugreek seeds are good source of protein and are also good source of nicotinic acid that helps strengthen the hair shaft and prevents breakage. It's also, aside from hair, it's also very good for the kidney as well and for lactating mothers because it helps to produce breast milk. Fenugreek also contains what is also a very rich source of vitamin A, K, and C. Now, I'm going to be measuring just 1 tablespoonful of our fenugreek. All you need is your glass jar. Then put just 1 tablespoonful or 2 tablespoonful into the glass jar. Then you add warm water into the glass jar to fill up the glass jar. You add warm water to fill up the glass jar like so. You can see the color change is giving this milky kind of color. Then you take your spatula and then you stir with your spatula and you cover it. I'm going to be covering it. I'll cover this and I'm going to be allowing it to do what? To infuse. I'll leave it overnight. I will leave this fenugreek water overnight for it to infuse and release all its nutrients into the water. So you shake properly, shake very well, and then you infuse it and leave it for 24 hours to infuse properly. Fenugreek is rich source of vitamin A, K, and C. Now, this is the next morning. You can see the color change. And please be careful. Fenugreek always swells. It swells a lot. I went ahead to add 1 more tablespoonful and see it swells so much that I have to even cut it out in the other plate, as you can see. So I have to cut it out. Fenugreek is also rich in folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron, and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek also promotes healthy scalp environments which contribute to hair growth. When it comes to scalp issue, fenugreek is number 1, followed by neem. This fenugreek hair spray, which is one of the Indian hair growth secrets that I'm revealing to you all today, will definitely strengthen your strands. It's going to create a very good environment for your scalp. As you all know, our hair grows from where? From the scalp. So when your scalp is healthy and clean, then your hair or scalp will be able to do what? Your scalp will be able to produce what? Quality hair from your what? From your follicle. So now I went ahead to strain my fenugreek water. This can also serve as a leave-in as well. This is also a fenugreek leave-in spray. You can also use it as an overnight hairspray as well. So you can also use it as fenugreek tea or as fenugreek rinse. So after sieving it off now, I'm going to be applying it now, putting it now into my applicator bottle. I'm putting it into my applicator bottle. Fenugreek is a powerhouse when it comes to hair growth. and strengthening of our hair, fenugreek is a powerhouse. Fenugreek contains essential nutrients for hair growth, and it also does what? It also does what? Strengthen the hair strands to reduce breakage. If you have never tried fenugreek hairspray or fenugreek tea on your hair, please do well to try it. This fenugreek hairspray will definitely grow your hair to waist length. If you want to grow your hair healthy, then incorporate fenugreek into your regimen, either as a spray, as a tea, as a rinse, or as a leave-in. Because I'm going to be leaving this on my hair. I'm not going to wash it out. Do not wash it out. Leave it on your hair. Apply this fenugreek tea or fenugreek hairspray, which is also Indian hair growth secret that I've revealed to you all today. Apply it on your strands. So I'm going to be applying it on my strands now, like so. This application time, and since it's a hair growth spray, please do well to apply it on your scalp and massage it thoroughly on your scalp. So after applying my fenugreek leave-in spray, I went ahead now to also apply my leave-in conditioner. I've applied my leave-in conditioner. Please concentrate on the ends of your hair and also apply your product using the prayer method. If you have 4C hair, please use the prayer method. Then I went ahead now to add my aloe vera. I'm applying my aloe vera too on my strands, like so. Aloe vera is also very, very good. It contains proteolytic enzymes which help strengthen the hair and also creates a very good environment for our scalp and also treat scalp issue. Then I went ahead to also apply my shea oil. I'm going to be doing, you can click on the cards above, but I'm still going to be doing another shea oil, an updated version of shea oil. I'll be releasing the video very soon. Then I went ahead also to seal my ends with my castor oil. I went ahead to seal my ends with my castor oil. Like you all know, the ends of our hair are the oldest part of our hair. So you need to give them that TLC that it deserves. So then I went ahead to apply my Aryuvedic hair butter. I'm going to also leave a link to that hair butter in the cards above, or check in the description box to also watch that video. So after sealing my hair now with my Aryuvedic hair butter, this Aryuvedic hair butter also contains fenugreek as well. So I'm going to be twisting my hair up now. Please do well to try this fenugreek hairspray or this fenugreek leave-in conditioner or leave-in spray or overnight spray. Do well to try it, and I guarantee you, with time and patience, these fenugreek hairspray or leave-in spray will definitely make your hair grow, strengthen your strands, and then reduce breakage as well. So let me know in the comment section your thoughts about fenugreek. If you've ever tried fenugreek in your regimen, how did you use it? Did you use it like an oil, a spray, a leave-in, or how did you use fenugreek in your regimen? Please let me know in the comment section below.
So guys,
If you're
thank
yet
you
to
all so
subscribe,
much for
please
watching my
subscribe.
video. If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Let me know how you tried this fenugreek hairspray, how you like it. If you've ever tried fenugreek in your hair recipe or regimen, let me know deep down in the comment section below. Do not forget to leave a comment. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. I remain your one and only AfroliciousMuna. So thank you all guys so much for this love and support. I really do appreciate everything. So see you all in my next video. Bye.